Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2022 Volkswagen Amarok, stock number 7187. This ran from the 9th 2016 to the 9th 2022. Has a DDXC 3 litre V6 diesel turbo engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a DDXC 3 litre V6 turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight, needs polish. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory Amarok tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory Amarok tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory Amarok tyre. Right rear and right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory Amarok tyre. Right front door car. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,